Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the February CatLady box. I'm excited about this, always excited about this at this moment. I think everybody's asleep, so I'm gonna try to open it, and maybe they won't get into my way, although I know you like to see them. Anyway, it's taped shut, and I did open it up. It's a little banged up a little bit, but that's okay. It has a black tissue with a sticker, but that's ripped up a little bit, so. This is the beautiful card. There's always a beautiful card in here. Oh, look at those eyes. Camille has eyes like that. So the CatLady box starts at, I think it's $34.99 a month. And there's a CatLady box, and then there is the Crazy CatLady box. The Crazy CatLady box comes with a couple of toys for your cats. The regular one is just for the mama. So this is February, and February's theme is Smitten Kitten. How cute is that? And the featured cat artist is Eva Farb, and it says Elena Barenbaum, known as Eva Farb, is a children's illustrator. Illustrator of many cute pictures, a member of the Creative Union of Artists, a psychologist, and a coach. You can see more of her work on Instagram at eve_farb, F-A-R-B, if you're interested in seeing more of her work. And then every month, CatLady donates to organizations. So this says, CatLady cares. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Community Cats Global, Lucky You Animal Rescue, Adopt a Stray, Calaveras Humane Society, and Michigan Cat Rescue. So let's see what's in this box. I am seeing things, it's all in the back of this card. I can see what's in there, and I'm excited. This is definitely Valentine related. By the way, the shirt I'm wearing is from the CatLady box. It says, ask me about my cat. So I thought I'd wear it because it has the pink, and you know, it's the whole Valentine theme going on. So let's see what we've got. Right on top is a toy. I'll show you that first. Since they're not around this door. This is a pink arrow. It has, I can feel the catnip in there. And this is one of those things that this kind of thing is Blue's favorite. He likes something he can grab onto and then he sort of kicks at it, and it's got the little feather on the back. How cute is that? Cupid's arrow, and it does say with catnip. Their tags are adorable also. So that is... It says, all right, spark crazy love and shenanigans with every paw swipe. The value is $4.99. And I'll tell you something about their toys. You know, you go to the pet shop and toys are this price and more, and they fall apart shortly. I have cat toys from CatLady Box that are a couple of years old, and they stay in great shape. They stay in great shape. So next up is this adorable thing. What is that? It's so cute. Look at that little face on there. Excuse me. I started joking there a little bit. This is called the Perfect Planter. The Perfect Planter for a Plant's Happy Place. Value of $14.99. Let's see what let's look at this box is adorable. I think this box was made for the CatLady box. It is CatLady box. All right, let's see what this is. A cute little planter. You know, spring is coming. Spring, it will be here eventually. Oh, how cute. It's wrapped up real nice. So, oh, it's so cute. It's a little pot. It has a hole in it, which is great for drainage. And then it's got these little feet, and it's got a tail, and there's the kitty face. And I like this because it's like, it's probably terracotta, but it's glazed. You know, so, yeah, I think you could see by the feet, it's like a terracotta, and then it's glazed, so it's got a nice shine to it. So I'll have to plant me a little something in there and put that outside. Is that too cute? I don't have plants inside just because my cats are rotten. You know, some people do just perfectly fine with plants inside. I've never been one of them. My mom has beautiful plants inside, and her cat doesn't bother it. Her cats never have. My cats, well, I haven't given these ones a chance because just from experience, I don't put plants in the house. So I probably could try it and see. All right, let's see what's next is up. This is Perfect Pair Tiny Trinkets. This is a set of 2. Well, Smudge is waking up, I think. This is itty bitty bamboo kitties to keep your tiny trinkets in place. Value of $13.99. Look at how this is packaged, y'all. It's in his little Ziploc bag. Let's open it up and see. Hang on. Well, Smudge, come on. I don't know why. He's been in this mood lately. Oh, these are adorable. These are perfect just to put anywhere. Oh, it smells. They smell good, too, because they're teak wood. Is that what it said it was? Teak? Bamboo. These are made out of bamboo. You know, bamboo. So these are, bamboo wood is very hard and it lasts forever. So look how cute they are. This one's round. You can see the little ear. The backs are just plain. And then this one has the whiskers. So you can put this, you know, by your bedside and put your earrings in at night, or your earbuds, or you know, your key when you come in from the car, or things like that. I don't know what's going on with them. They're adorable. I love them. Thank you, CatLady Box. They're so good to me, y'all. They send this over to me just because they love me. I just love that. I just love that. That's so nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. There's two big things in here left. Hang on. Sometimes that boy worries me. Okay, next up, this got some stuff on it, but this is, there's always, I think, I will say, I've been getting this for a while, and there's always a wearable in this box. It could be a jacket, it could be a sweatshirt, it could be a t-shirt. Often it's a t-shirt, and I love their t-shirts, and they last and they wash up so nicely. They're super soft, they're cotton. This is purr t-shirt. It's love at first purr for all of us who are smitten with kittens, and the value is $22.99. And I get the plus size, so I think the plus sizes are a little bit, a couple more dollars. So let's see what it looks like. It's pink for Valentine's Day. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, it does. It says purr on it, and it's got a big cat face. Look at that pretty kitty. Purr and purr at the bottom. That is adorable. It's a real pretty light. Now it's darker pink in person. It's coming up very light on camera where it looks almost peach, but it's not peach, it's pink. It's a light pink. Super cute and so soft. Let me tell you, it has the CatLady Box label in here. I mean label, yeah. Oh no, it doesn't. It says Tultex 202. I thought they usually said CatLady Box in there. It is 100% cotton. That's what I was thinking it was. They're so soft. They're so soft. And 100% cotton, that's what I like. You can breathe in them. And then there's another large item in here, y'all. And I don't know. It is for my cat. So I'm excited about this. This is a Meow Mail Stamp Cat Mat. It says, if cat naps are your cat's love language, this is sure to get a stamp of approval, but it's, I can't say it, approval. The value is $15.99. They are gonna love this. Camille is right over here sleeping. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Look at that. It's like Sherpa on the backside. And there it says CatLady Box. The label is sewn on there, and it says Meow Mail. 25 cents. Look at how cute it is, y'all. It's a love letter for Valentine's Day. Meow Mail. Those colors are so pretty. We got a blanket not too long ago, a couple of boxes back, that is very bright and cheery colors. Great for the winter time. How cute is, oh, they're going to just love this. They're gonna love it. So this is just what I've been looking for to put in their kennel that I carry them with to the vet. And or this can go on the couch or a chair or something, and they would love to lay on that. And like I said, the other side is Sherpa. So this will be easy to wash. I love it. Thank you, CatLady Box. I love it. I'll try to get pictures of everything. And I don't know what's going on with Smudge. I gotta go check them out. Anyway, so we've got this fabulous mat. This adorable planter. Isn't that just adorable? These cute little trinket, bamboo trinket. Here comes Camille now. This arrow of love, and then the t-shirt, the purr t-shirt. You'll see me in this soon, maybe on a Mask Monday. thank you so much to CatLady Box. We just love it. We love it, and I'll get some pictures now, maybe of them laying on the mat or something. Get them to play with that, show you some pictures. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Thank you, CatLady Box. We love it. I was going to get a picture. There is the adorable t-shirt and smudges on the mat already. Okay. You like the mat smudge? He's already sitting on it. I was trying to get pictures. You know, it's impossible to get pictures of things because they want to be right on it. Yeah, you like that? And there's the t-shirt. And there's Blue came up to see the t-shirt. He's going to probably jump down there with smudge in a minute. Oh, bless you, Blue, bless you. So did you knock my shirt down? Yes. And sitting on the mat. They've taken over. Well, it's theirs to have. Blue? Hey, love. You sitting with your brother? Good boys. You're good boys. Yes, you are. We thank you again, CatLady Box.